In this video, you're going to see how I got this beautiful look, so stay tuned. So first, I'm going to apply my Mary Kay eye primer. And I'm just going to use my finger to blend that out. Then I am trying to scrape out some concealer to blend that out and to do my brows. Next, I'm going to go into the eyeshadow, and because I am doing something a little different with some blues and purples, I decided to do my eyeshadow first. That way I can clean up anything that falls out before I go on to my foundation. So here I'm just carving out my brows, concealing the top and the bottom. If you guys want a up-to-date brow tutorial, leave that in the comments below and I'll make sure to film that for you all. Next, I'm going in with my NYX white eyeshadow base, and I just put some of that on there and then I'm just going to blend it out. And this is going to help those colors pop. I'm going in with like a tan color under my brow bone, just to highlight that and further blend out that edge. Then I'm going to go in with this purple, and I'm just going to pack it in there and then kind of blend it out. Then I'm going in with some pink on the edge, and adding that pink there is going to kind of blend out the edge of the purple. And I'm kind of working my way toward the brow bone to kind of diffuse out that color. And then I just went back in with more purple and kind of diffused out again with the pink, just so that I can get a nice blended look. The eyeshadow palette that I am using is by e.l.f. and honestly the eyeshadows are okay. They're not that great, but they got the job done. Now I'm going in with like this dark blue, and I'm just putting that in the outer V. Now I'm going in again with some of that white eyeshadow base, and I'm just cutting the crease and putting some royal blue eyeshadow on my lid. And I was kind of making this up as I went. I put some teal green in the inner corner and I didn't really like that, so I went over it with like a shimmery pink. And then I went back into the royal blue to kind of blend that out and get rid of that teal color. Then I went back in the brow bone to make sure that everything is just blended nicely. Now I'm going to add some of my Sparks glitter, and you can get this from my website, ChanelEclectic.com. And I'm using this glitter primer, putting it in my inner corner and at the outer corner. Then I'm going to start packing some of the Sparks glitter there. Now I'm going to line my eyes, and I didn't want to do a thick liner, but I did want a wing. And anything that needs to be cleaned up, I'm just cleaning it up with my foundation. And this is the Mary Kay Bronze No. 1 foundation. Now I'm just putting some foundation primer on, and then I'm going to blend that out and then continue with my foundation. And I'm going to put the Bronze No. 3 around my face. And the Bronze No. 1 in the center of my face. And I am blending this out with my favorite kabuki brush, which can also be found on my website, so make sure you check that out. And here I am just scraping out some more of that Mary Kay concealer. And I'm using some of the under eye corrector just to kind of add something to that concealer, but typically I wouldn't use it. And I'm just trying to make sure that I get all of that blended out nice and smooth so that when I set it, everything can be flawless. For the under eye, I used the beige No. 2, and for the rest of my face, I used the Bronze No. 2 pressed powder. Then I added some blush, some contour, and some highlight. If you are not following me on Instagram, make sure you all go do that. My name there is @Chanel_eclectic. And I know you guys are probably looking at my hair, and I relaxed my hair a couple of days ago, so it does not still look like that. The struggle was real. If you all have seen my relaxer videos, you know that I stretch my relaxers since I wear wigs all the time. So in this video, I am a lot of months post. So I added some brow powder, and then I went on my bottom lash line and added a little color there just to kind of tie in the look. Now for the fun part, I got these lippies from Kohl's, and I'm going to use these two, kind of like how I used the little cheap ones. I'm going to put the bright pink on the outside and then the light nude shade on the inside. And I really like these lippies. I can't wait to use them in more looks. So I'm going to apply some mascara. And I like to make sure I get the mascara on there really good. Then I'm going in with my assertive lashes. Make sure you check out my website and pick up your lashes. And I'm just going to use my favorite lash tweezers and just apply them. It's really quick and easy. And as you can see, the look is gorgeous. And it's not complete without some beautiful hair. Okay, you guys, so this is the finished look. I wanted to do something a little different than what I normally do, with a little bit more colors and all of that. And of course, my blue hair that I am in love with. If you want to see how I put the unit on and all of that, I will have that video coming. So yeah, this is the look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you recreate it, make sure you tag me on IG. Make sure that you're already following me on IG, and make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel so we can keep all of this goodness going. I am going to post this nail look using my mannequin hand, and it's time for me a feel, so I might film that as well. But I have a lot of great things planned. I am really excited. I got a lot of great things from Kohl's that I will be showing you all, but for this video I used these two BH Cosmetic liquid lipsticks, and they are beautiful, as you can see. So I can't wait to do more videos using my BH Cosmetic products, because they had a huge sale at Kohl's. So I'm really excited to show you guys those things. Make sure you leave me a comment, give me some suggestions, let me know what you all like to see. And until next time, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.